Video number 8. Facebook Ads. Facebook is one of the social media platforms that offers an easy way to start a targeted ad campaign. Facebook ads are highly profitable. As a company or organization, you do not need to invest a lot of money creating an ad on Facebook. You can reach a wide audience when you create ads on Facebook. Campaigns on Facebook are easy to monitor than pay-per-click. They are also cheaper than traditional media ads. Through Facebook, you have the opportunity to get more viewers to your website and, most importantly, acquire more customers. Below is a step-by-step procedure on how to set up a Facebook ad campaign. On the upper right-hand corner of your screen, click Create Ads in the drop-down arrow. The most common option you can use on an ad campaign is Send People to Your Website. However, choosing the option will depend on the objective of your ad. The main objective of your Facebook ad is to send people to your landing page. You need to customize your page so that you can capture your Facebook lead information. That means you have to create a good call to action strategy. Make sure that you play around with your landing page layout and the options to get the best lead conversion. A Facebook ad will allow you to narrow your ad demographics. It gives you the chance to select the region in which you want the ad to run. Facebook ads allow you to narrow your audience to specific demographics. For your Facebook ad to have an impact, you must ensure you choose the appropriate audience. Select the specific age and gender that you want your Facebook ad to target. If you want to be more specific, click on the drop-down arrow below Languages to get more options. Through that, you will ensure you target the right audience. One of the good things of Facebook ads is that they allow you to target your audience according to their interests. This increases the likelihood of your ad being shown to the right audience. The interest ensures that your audience is segmented in the right way. While choosing Facebook ads, you can target your audience according to their behaviors. It is one of the most appealing aspects of the Facebook ads. Make sure you verify this information to make sure that you get the targeted audience. Your target audiences have a certain behavior which you can predict, so ensure that you select the behavior of your audience in relation to the goods or services that you want to promote. Click on the drop-down arrow known as Connection just below the behavior icon. It gives you more options to target your audience. It is an option to use the connections. However, you can use it to make sure that you are more specific for your audience. In some of the Facebook ad types, you will be required to use it, so familiarize yourself with all the options available in the Connections icon. To make sure that your ad reaches your target audience effectively, you need to pay some cash. You will not get Facebook ads free of charge. Thus, you need to ensure that you have a budget to guide you in making the right decision. You get two options on the budget. It can either be daily or a lifetime budget. Additionally, set a schedule when you would like your ad to run. The cost of the ad will be determined by your geographical area. You will need to monitor this section on a daily basis so as to set the right ad budget. Monitor this area well and adjust it effectively. With Facebook ads, you are in a position to add images and videos. Videos grab the attention of the target audience. Images also play a big role in grabbing the attention of the audience. Use of a text-only ad cannot easily grab the attention of the target audience. You have the opportunity to upload multiple images that explain more about your company's ad. If you do not have your own images, you can choose one from the options provided. The choice of your image can lead to the success of your campaign. Make sure that you have the best image or video to attract your target audience. Get professional advice on this stage. After you have the image and video, you need to give more details about your ad. Write down captions to give more details that cannot be easily explained by the image or video. This will include the headline, link description, body, text, and call to action button. Make sure that the details are accurate and informative. It is advisable to remove the partners for you to save money. When you set everything, cross-check and ensure that all the details are correct. Afterwards, click the Place Order icon. The order will go to review and will be launched shortly. If there are issues with your ad, Facebook support will alert you to alter it. If there are no issues, your ad will go live immediately. Once you post your ad, make sure you check your ad constantly to check its progress.